Then there will be a big warm-up by midweek. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a snow squall warning for southern Shelby County, northern Miami County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Sydney to near Covington, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, extremely poor visibility in heavy snow. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 77 and 100. Locations impacted include Sydney, Piqua, Covington, Anna, Hardin, Fletcher, Port Jefferson, Lockington, Polo, New Bern, Malou, Plattsville, Maplewood, Farrington, Saunders, and Houston. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, WXJ46, Miamisburg, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.